Now I had to zoom out a good bit in order to get most of the word problem on here, and while I realize that it is not all on there, you should be able to use your own worksheet to get an idea of what little pieces you're missing. Luke runs M miles every day. Sadie runs 3 times farther than Luke every day. What expression would represent the total amount of miles Luke and Sadie run together every day? Well, first we need to figure out an expression to represent what Luke runs every day. Well, Luke runs M miles every day. So M times X, M would tell me how many miles, X would tell me how many days that we are computing to know how many miles he has run thus far. Well, next, we see that Sadie runs 3 times farther than Luke every day. What expression would represent the total amount of miles Luke and Sadie run together every day? Well, our first portion of the expression represents Luke's, already has miles, and it already has the amount of days. The only thing that we need to add extra is that Sadie runs 3 times that. So we simply need to multiply that portion of the expression by 3 to figure out how much Sadie runs, and then add that back into what Luke runs. It's not 3mx. Luke only runs mx. So together we have 3mx plus mx equals 4mx. Would tell me how many miles they run together for each day. Number 21, Marcus buys S shirts for $8 each. He then buys P pants for $20 each. What expression would represent the total amount that Marcus spends on t-shirts and pants? And this is before tax. We're not calculating any tax into this problem. So if he buys a shirt, that's S, but we have to know how much that shirt is, so that would be $8 times each shirt. So if Marcus bought 1 shirt, that would be 1 times $8. If Marcus bought 2 shirts, we would put a 2 in for S. 2 times $8 would be $16. He then buys P pants for $20. So that would be, in addition to buying shirts, he also bought, so we're adding to it, $20 each for the pair of pants. And our question asks for an expression, so we don't need an equal sign. 8S plus 20P.